Your course, Applied Directions of Quality Management, includes the study of the basic concepts, principles, and methods of evaluations indicators, the purpose of which is to improve and control the quality of products, service, or processes. The discipline is a basic discipline, which is the basic for further study of such disciplines as quality management and quality management systems. This course's structure includes 16 modules in 16 weeks. So, Module 1, the basic concept of categories of quality. It is week 1, for example. Module 2, projects of quality. Module 3, competitive of quality. Module 4, statistical methods of regulation and quality control. Module 5, statistical methods for acceptance inspection. Module 6, standardization and quality control. Module 7, concepts standardization. Module 8, development of technical regulations and standards. Module 9, conformity assessment of products and quality system. Module 10, conformity. Module 11, work experience certification. Module 12, system of total quality control. It is TQM system. Module 30, quality management. Module 14, technical control service. Module 15, quality management system. And the last module, 17, modes and effects analysis with social defects. As a result, the development of training, a student must to know the ratio of management and quality management, the main indicators of quality management strategies, methods and structure of the inspection processes, responsibilities and goals of standardization, certification, accreditation, and conformity work experience. Communication concepts, competitiveness, and quality of the basic principles of technical regulation and the role quality control department in the different companies. A student must to be able to assess the quality of products using the methods of control cards, histogram Pareto analysis using choose a product certification scheme, taking into account internal and external factors affecting the operation of the enterprise. Calculate the competitiveness of products or process control. Quality on enterprise as a whole. Evaluate product or process defect. And finally, using the method of FMEA. A student must to use skills to work with the standards or different levels. Tools that improve the organization of the process of quality management in the enterprise. Methods of statistical process control and analysis of the results in order to make the correct decisions to improve the performance of product or process quality. The final control of each class in passed the test on the subject and practical work to learning and practical application of the materials. It's all. Thanks for your attention.